Hello and welcome everyone to Variety Stick 2, and we're back again for another video. In this video I have the Moxee tablet 2 available through Metro and T-Mobile, and if you have a problem with the Google activation screen that you can't go any further, rather you have to use the same password but you did hard reset, or you get stuck with a Gmail account that you don't know even the password, so don't worry, I'll show you step by step how to bypass this activation screen. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and give me a thumbs up and hit the bell. You'll be notified every time we upload video on this channel. Now without any further ado, let's find out. Just want to pay your attention, I'm doing this video for educational purposes only. I'm not trying to help thieves. Now the problem starts when you have the verification code, so the best thing I recommend to go back. I'm just gonna go back because I wanna tell you about something. The first thing you need to do, you need to enable the talkback on the phone. Now first I will just bring the volume all the way down before I turn the talkback on the phone, so that way it doesn't have voice on the background. And then you will need to do volume up and volume down key together till you receive a message here says turn the talkback on, and then we're gonna go to the next step after this. Now in case if you've been pressing volume up volume down keys together and that doesn't respond, all you have to do, go to the welcome screen, go to vision settings, and then go to talkback and enable the talkback from here. It should be the same thing. Now let me go ahead and press two keys together. Maybe for the first time you get a message that says turn on and turn off. Always hit turn on. Now the talkback is on. To use, you have to select and then double tap. Now we're gonna choose close. When you see the square, double tap, and that's how we use the talkback. Now we need to do one gesture right there that help us to go to the Google Assistant, and this gesture is going to be L but the opposite way. So we start from the left and then we go up just like this, using the voice. So allow, use voice commands, double click, Google Assistant. You just have to say Google Assistant because the microphone starts listening to you. If that doesn't work, just do it again. It worked for us. At this time I will shut off the talkback. Talkback is off at this moment. Now you will need to go to YouTube. Just go to the search, and by the way, make sure you're connecting to Wi-Fi, so you need internet. Now we are on YouTube, so what you need to do, go to the profile pictures, the one on the top corner, go to settings, and wait till this message go away. There we go. Now about Google privacy policy, go to Chrome and then no thanks, and that should take us to the browser. Now from here I just need you to type the following, and it's going to be on the screen as well. So easy flashing, it will be easy flashing FRP bypass 8.0 APK. Just tab here, go to the first website that you can see. Now scroll all the way down. And you see APK and these settings. Tap once because this is add. Sometimes it doesn't show add. If you show add, just hit X. Now scroll all the way down. Open setting app. Tap here. And you open the settings on the phone. So what I need from you first, go to accessibility and go to accessibility menu and enable. Make sure you got it right there. You have the icon. Now go back. I want you to go to apps, see all apps, three dots on the top, and show system. and now search to setup. You will see Android setup. Just force stop for right now. Go back, go to search again, type Google Play Services. You go to Google Play Services, not the Google Play Store, and disable, and force stop. Now at this point you just need to go back all the way to the main screen, so just go ahead and click back. So this is the welcome screen, and I need you to go start, escape, and just wait a few seconds. Don't copy. So when you get there, the tablet's not gonna go any further, so tap back till you see the Wi-Fi screen right there. Keep the Wi-Fi connected. Go to this icon, the shortcut menu, or the accessibility shortcut. Tap on Assistant, hit on Settings, enable the Google Play Services, and go back. Till you go back to the Wi-Fi screen. From here you're gonna see Set Off Offline. Go ahead and tap here, and you got it, my friend. Just hit escape for the password, and you successfully bypassed the Google activation screen. I would highly recommend just to go to Settings now and go to Accessibility, and go back to Accessibility menu and disable, and make restart, and you should be good to go, and the tablet will be brand new as the factory. And I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, thumbs up and subscribe for more. If you don't want to miss any video from this channel, hit the bell. You'll be notified every time I upload video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we'll talk to you in the next video.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the